peanut butter M&Ms, dark chocolate Kodiak cakes, chocolate syrup. Let's get to it.
Jumped out a plane, tried falling more in love with you. We missed the train each morning, and then we don't know what to do. I can't live with or without you. We could be dying if our hearts beat too slow. 100 reasons I can think to be with you. So if we're drowning, let our love keep us afloat.
If we're gonna leave this ship, we're gonna have to sink or swim. Take my hand and dive in. I'll never let you go again. If we're gonna leave this ship, we're gonna have to sink or swim. Take my hand and dive in. I'll never let you go again. I'll never let you, never let you, never let you. I'll never let you, never let you. We're gonna have to sink or swim.
It seemed to rain for days, I guess our hearts were pouring. We didn't keep the scores, this game we played, it ain't rewarding. It's like we changed our names and that's the reason we ignoring. We highly flammable, I guess we didn't read the warnings. So use with caution, cause girl we awesome. We gotta cherish this, it doesn't come along that often. Just stay for summer, guaranteed.
See how it tastes? M&M's always go good with pancakes. They give it a good crunch, and they give it the chocolate like chocolate chips would. So again, I'm saying these pancakes are great. Pancakes are nice and moist. Shout out Kodiak cakes. So I hope you like the pancake of the day. Like and subscribe for pancakes every single day, non-stop. Won't miss a day. The grind don't stop. Pancake grind, don't stop. LG, life's good. Let's go.